Tick tube yard treatment targets ticks by treating rodent nests with permethrin-treated cotton to break the tick life cycle. Tick tubes are small fabric tubes filled with cotton that is treated with permethrin so that rodents collect the cotton for nesting and transfer the insecticide directly to immature ticks on their fur. Deploy them along established rodent runways and edges where white-footed mice and other nest-building rodents travel. Spacing tubes every 10 to 20 feet in the most active corridors and around yard perimeters. Place tubes in shaded, sheltered spots under brush piles, rock edges, or wood stacks rather than in full sun to preserve the insecticide until rodents retrieve the material. Handle tubes with gloves and avoid opening or disturbing the cotton so the treatment remains effective. Replace tubes once each season or sooner if cotton is gone or wet, because permethrin on cotton degrades with weather and moisture. Mark deployment dates and inspect monthly so you can reapply at peak nymph activity in spring and again in late summer when applicable. Combine tick tubes with host reduction strategies such as minimizing brushy habitat, removing ground-level food sources, securing bird feeders, and installing fencing or plantings to reduce deer traffic since deer carry adult ticks that amplify local populations. Store unused tubes in a cool, dry location away from children and pets and follow the product label for personal protective equipment and disposal instructions so you comply with safety and legal requirements. When disposing of spent tubes or leftover treated cotton, seal them in a plastic bag and discard with regular trash according to label directions to prevent unintended exposure. Common mistakes include placing tubes randomly in open, sunny areas where rodents ignore them, so move tubes to shady, sheltered runways and verify activity by checking for cotton removal. People often rely on tick tubes alone without addressing host habitat, so pair tubes with habitat modification and deer exclusion to reduce reintroduction of ticks. Another frequent issue is failing to replace tubes seasonally or after rain, which reduces efficacy. So set reminders to refresh tubes at least once each year and after prolonged wet periods. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and learn practical do-it-yourself approaches, like using tick tubes as part of a broader yard tick management plan. We also help contractors connect with homeowners, and we host a discussion community where users and professionals exchange experience, placement tips, product observations, and seasonal timing advice.